how to connect Notcoin to wallet in Telegram. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Notcoin to your wallet in Telegram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Notcoin by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure the Telegram app is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on Connect Wallet option, which is at the top of your screen. Then tap on Open Wallet in Telegram. After that, you can either create or import another wallet, or you can restore your previous one. So I will for restore option. Then just enter the verification password and tap on View Wallet. After that, just connect. So that's how you can connect Notcoin to your wallet in Telegram. That's all for this video.